Sasha, will you please make me some muffins?
Ugh, Sasha, making muffins takes so long.
Make me some muffins.
You really want to wait 45 minutes for me to make you muffins?
Do you like cupcakes? What if I told you you can make cupcakes in less than 5 minutes with ingredients you can find easily in your own kitchen? Sometimes we find ourselves with a sweet tooth, but don't want to wait the 45 minutes while our delicious ingredients bake. Today I will show you the steps needed to make a muffin in a mug. I will show you the ingredients necessary, the prep, the cooking instructions, and cleanup. So the first step to any kitchen endeavor is getting organized. First, we're going to collect all of our ingredients and get all of our supplies ready. We're going to need some eggs, cocoa powder, honey, peanut butter. We're also going to use 1 ripe banana, tablespoon measure, a fork, and a spoon. We're also going to get a mug to put our muffin in. Now you can also use other ingredients if you're not in the mood for something sweet. You can add sausage, onions, cheese, tortilla chips, and you can create some kind of frittata or a quiche. But today we're sticking just to the muffin. You also want to make sure you have all the necessary supplies in your kitchen. This won't be too hard because basically all you need is a microwave, some soap and water for cleanup. You'll need your mug to cook in, a paper towel just for cleanliness when you put it in the microwave, and drying your mug after you clean. So after you've collected all of your ingredients, you're ready not to cook. First step will be breaking your egg into your mug. I've had a lot of practice doing this, I'm sure. Just break it in. Put this back in here. And we're going to take our fork and we're going to whisk our egg. Just break it up really nice, get it all fluffy in there. Alright. Now that we've whisked our egg, our next step will be to mash the banana. I'm going to break this one open. I'm going to use just about half of it so we're not too overpowered in there. I'm going to just throw it in here and mush it up with my fork. And since it is an overripe banana, it does mash up a lot easier than, say, a yellow banana would that was in your kitchen. We're just going to mix these in here. It's not too important to get it all mushed up because you'll have bigger pieces of banana that you can kind of taste through your muffin. Alright, now that we have that ready, we're going to add our other ingredients. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, with 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter, so I'm just going to add 1. And again, we're making it a muffin in a microwave, so it doesn't really matter how perfectly you get all the measurements and mixing. So the next step will be adding all the other ingredients. We have our 1 ripe banana, a tablespoon of butter, an egg. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder now. I'm using Swiss Miss, has the marshmallows in it, so it's going to add a little bit more better taste to our muffin we're making. Unlike the peanut butter, when I add more of this, I love chocolate. Who doesn't like chocolate? 2 tablespoons. Mix that together. We're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm using Oregon Blossom honey because that's all I have in my kitchen right now. This is going to be like my sugar, so I'm going to add quite a bit of it. Now there are many different possibilities of how you can make your muffin. I, for example, like banana nut muffins, so I'm making myself a banana muffin, but in chocolate. But I don't have nuts. You can't add nuts. You can add chocolate chips. You can add plenty of other ingredients, just to whatever you see fit. So now that you've gotten all of your ingredients mixed together, our next step is going to be microwaving. This is the simplest part. You have about less than 3 minutes before you're ready to make it. You're going to cook your muffin for about 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave. And the reason we got a paper towel is because we're going to put it underneath the mug in the microwave in case it boils over or anything comes out of it. It won't be gross. So we're going to set our microwave here for 2 minutes and 30 seconds and start. And while you're waiting for it to cook, a good thing to do is common practice that I have in my kitchen is to clean up after myself. We're just about ready to eat our muffin. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and check it and see how it's doing so far. Hopefully my little sister likes the muffin. Now you can enjoy your dessert, but first you gotta clean up after yourself. Throw it in the sink, fill it up with a little bit of soap and water. Just let it soak until tomorrow. I've explained to you the ingredients you need, the prep work, the cooking instructions, and cleaning instructions to make muffins in a mug. So now, whenever you find yourself with less than 5 minutes to make yourself a delicious dessert, maybe you'll remember my recipe.
Thanks, Katya.